Sai Ram children, welcome back to our maths class. So get ready with your book, pencil box. Now children, today we will continue with chapter 1. So till now we have finished numbers 100, 100 to 200, hundreds, tens, ones, face value, place value, and today we will be doing expanded form and short form. Okay? Now children, in your last class you remember we have done place value. So what we do in place value? In place value we have to find out which place the digit is, that is in place of hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, so it will be helpful for you to understand the expanded form. Now expanded form, here you can see expanded form, writing a number as the sum of the place of its digits is called the expanded form. Now I will explain you. See, you can see the number 123 equal to, now how we can write? See, this one is in hundreds place, that is 100. Okay, hundreds. Then this 2 tens 20, so it is in tens place, and 3, that is in ones place. Okay, 3 ones. So it is written like this: 100 plus 20 plus 3. So expanded form is a way to write a number that shows the value for each place. Okay, so remember hundreds, tens, ones. Okay children, now I will explain you with one more example. Now suppose we take one number 131. Okay, now how we will do, how we will expand? Expand means to stretch it. To make this number, you have to expand the number. Okay, you have to expand in detail. So this one is in which place? 100. Correct? Then plus sign. Now this 3 is in which place? Tens place. So 3 tens plus, and this one is in ones place. So we can write like this: 1 ones. Another way, 100 plus 3 tens, 30 plus 1 ones. Okay, 131 the number is, and we have expanded the number like this. Okay, understood children? Now look at the given examples. See here, the number is 145. Okay, 145. So we can write like this: 100 plus 4 tens plus 5 ones equal to 100 plus 40 plus 5. The next one, 182. Again equal to 100 plus 8 tens plus 2 ones, 100 plus 80 plus 2. Okay. Now similarly like this, 105. Okay, 100 and 0, that is In tens place, it is 0 means nothing, and plus 5 ones, 100 plus 5, 193, 100, this 9, 9 tens, okay, 9 tens, that is 90, 9 tens plus 3 ones, 100 plus 90 plus 3. Okay, we have expanded the number. We can write like this. Now, open your book, write the expanded form of the following numbers. Okay, write classwork. You can see the first one, 167. How it is written? 100 plus 6 tens plus 7 ones equal to, now we can write like this, 100, 6 tens is 60 plus 7 ones, you can write like this, 7. Okay, try to do yourself. The next one, 118, 100 plus 110 plus 8 ones. Yes, write here 100, then 110 and 110 and 8 ones. Now try to do the next. Check your answer. Have you done? Have you written like this? Correct? You have understood? Okay. Finished all of you? Now we will do short form. When we add the expanded number, we get the short form. Okay? So let's see. Now here you can see, children, when we add the expanded form, we get the short form. Now here you can see the number, it is written 100 plus 30 plus 5. So equal to, what you can write for 100? Yes, you remember 100 tens ones. So write 1. Now 30, that is 3 tens. You can write 3. And for 5, that is in ones place, 5. You remember HTO. Okay. Now the next one, 100. That is in which place? Hundreds place, write 1. Now this 0 plus 0, 0 is in tens place. Okay, so tens place, nothing is there. It is 0. So write 0 and plus 6, that is in ones place. So the short form is 106. Correct? Now again the next one, 100. Write 1 in the hundreds place, plus 80. So for 80, that is in tens place, 8 tens, write 8, and plus 0, 0 is in ones place. So nothing is there. So we will write 0 in ones place. So our answer is 180. Okay? Clear, children? Now you can do. Now see how we can write. We can write a number in 3 different forms. So the short form is 174. So the number name or word form, we can write 174. And see the expanded form, we can write like this, 100 plus 70 plus 4. And this one, written form, you can see this short form or standard short form or standard form. Okay, 149 So in number name you can write as 149. Expanded form is 100 plus 40 plus 9. And here you can see the model form, the blocks. Okay, 100, then plus 40, you can see the block of 100, then 40 plus 40, so 4 tens makes 40. Okay, and plus 9 ones, and again hundreds, tens and ones, 100, 4 tens, 9 ones. So children, just remember this hundreds, tens, ones, and how you have to find out. Okay, to put the numbers, or you have to put the digit in which place you have to put the digits. Okay, in hundreds, tens, ones place. Now write the short form of the following numbers. Yes, 100 plus 6. Yes, right. What you will write? Yes, 106. Very good. 106. Now, and why 106? Why this 0? Because there is nothing in the tens place. Okay. Now 100 plus 20 plus 9. So write in hundreds place 1. This 20, that is 2 tens and 9 ones. Correct? Now try to do yourself. Question C, 100 plus 40 plus 4. Write 1 in hundreds place plus 40, that is 4 tens, write 4. Okay, plus and 4 in ones place, 144. Yes children, I am waiting for you. Try to do yourself. Yes, you can do it. Very good. Yes, check your answers. All are getting this correct answer. Very good. So finish it. Finished? Now form the numbers and write in the boxes. So the first one you see 132. Now you remember hundreds, tens, ones. So this 2 is in which place? Ones place. Okay, correct. And this 3 is in tens place. So 3 tens, 30. And this 1 is in hundreds place. That is 100. Correct? So the next one, how you will do? Yes, what you will write here in the box? See, 0 is in ones place, write 0. Then 70 in tens place, 7 tens makes 70, so write 7. And this 100 in hundreds place, so 100. Okay. Try to do question C and question D. Yes, start doing. Okay, correct answer. All are finished. Okay, very good. Okay children, with this we have completed this expanded form and short form. Thank you children. Bye.